Mission Impossible, Operation Find Your Invoice. This is Caitlin,
And Tasha.
and we are here to show you how to find your invoice. Step 1, log into your Next Generation account. Once you're in there, you're going to find this number up here, and you will click. This will take you to a summary of your balances. The first thing I would like to point out is that there are several different invoices noted here. You will see TNG. Anything with TNG in front of it is going to be a payment made directly to TNG. Then you will have your pay to instructors, specifically here Molly Harmon or Jessica Willoughby. If your account does not look like this and it is just TNG and then a name, like down here with Miss Emily Niedig, that is a TNG fee.
Those fees, the TNG general fee and those TNG and a teacher name, those all go into a TNG fee total. So for me, I'm going to go up here. I have $121 going into a TNG general. I'm going to come down here and find my next TNG, the KVFE fee. That $40 fee gets added to that 121, so I'm at 161. And then I also have some other ones down here. So that's going to give me a total TNG fee. You're used to seeing that broken down together or combined together, but you're going to actually have to add that together if you want to see what it is before invoice day. And then you also have, I have individual checks to Alicia Caton and Annie Marshall I have two for her. I have one child in general science and one in biology, so I'm giving her a 140 check and a $90 check. If it's written to the same person, it can be written as one check. So for Annie, I have a 140 and a $90 fee. I'm gonna write her one check for $230. If you want to find out what you owe altogether, scroll down to the bottom, the other bottom, and you'll see.
I think what we'll actually want to do, preferably, is click on invoice and payment details.
Yes, you can see we're a work in progress.
Yes, we've got this.
Okay. So there you go. There's my total, the 663. That is what you will ultimately be paying out if you want to know what you're being paid out.
If you're paying Tasha's bill. But
Yes.
if you're paying your bill, it may be a little different.
But feel free to pay my bill. Okay, so you're going to have your TNG fees and the TNG2 teacher TNG fees, and then you have your pay to. Those are the separate checks, and you can pay with cash, exact change only. You can pay with a check. You can pay with a credit card via the Square Reader. There is a 3% surcharge added to that.
Keep in mind, this tutorial is simply to show you where to find your invoice on your account on the Homeschool Life website. Just for fun, a little bonus option, if you are like me and you love having paper laying around on your kitchen counters, you are also able to print it from here, and it would look something like this. And you should be able to hit Control P on any old computer and, so on and so forth. So that's very exciting. If you wanted to look at that, you do not have to do that. Also, the intent of this is so that you can see what we are seeing when you come to us on invoice day on Monday. And we have access to this. So you do not need to bring any paper with you at all for invoice day. We have access to this. So this is just to show you the ropes and help you find your invoice. We hope this has been helpful. And Tasha has one more thing.
If you're a federal employee affected directly by the government shutdown, please send us an email no later than Thursday evening, around 8 or 9 o'clock, letting us know that you're affected by it. We're trying to make special provisions for those who are affected to maybe do partial payments, but we just need to see who we're talking about and how many we're dealing with. Thank you.